I started on this video, but yeah, how do I do this game? That's my lobby. So, I'm gonna be showing y'all glitches on this map and this map on the bridge and crash. So let's get straight into it. First, we're gonna go to this map. I don't know, one glitch on this map, so yeah. It's gonna be quick. It's gonna be quick. Oh my god. But yeah, let's get straight to it. So what you wanna do, join German. And then go over to mercenary side. Go to mercenary side. So what you gonna do? Come up the ladder. Jump on the tree. Might take me a few tries. Oh, jump on there. People be jumping on the tree, but I'm gonna jump on this. Then what you wanna do? Come over here. Okay. Get down. Now you can shoot. They ain't gonna know you're up here until they like see the bullets. Or some people know the glitch, so they might RPG. But then you can move around and everything. Start killing the people over here. Boom, boom. You start killing them. But yeah. Hey. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the other map. So here I am at the other map. So what you wanna do, you can join any side for this one. You just gotta come on the fence, jump. It might take you a few tries. And not. So what you wanna do is that you jump on top of there. You'll be lucky enough and everything. So look, sometimes it might make you die, but sometimes it won't. So if you have free fall, you gotta leave the game if it don't make you die. But so I can just switch teams. You feel? I like playing with revolvers and snipers. That's the guns I like to use. That's the only guns I use, basically. So, what you want to do is just jump. You have done it. You can just shoot out of here. You can just shoot. They ain't gonna know you here until they see like the bullets coming out, or they gonna notice glitch. Or if they walk in here, they gonna see like your body sticking out. Yeah, I'm out, man. But hold up, I'm not out yet. But yeah, you can just kill them from out here. But then they gonna be walking upstairs. You can like before they go around that corner before they go. Somebody joined, so I'm gonna use him real fast. He on my team. But yeah. You trying to see where I'm at, right? Watch. Let's see. I'm gonna just shoot. See if he like come over here. But yeah. Hold up. I'm gonna leave the game. So yeah. Leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm gonna do daily uploads, so stay tuned. Peace out. I'm out, man. Peace.